explain and sigh and watch. For I have sought counsel from the noblest one in the world, and she tells me that I love as high as I can reach. The best lady, and she gives me assurance that honor and worth will be mine, not harm. And since she is the most worthy in the world, I have placed in her my heart and my hope. Of sweet charm. He took the armor from the Red Knight, had such joy as I have from her counsel. And she makes me die as Tantalus dies, for she forbids me that of which she gives abundance. My lady who is worthy, courteous and becoming, rich and noble, young and well-spoken, and of good sense and beautiful appearance. Beautiful lady, I was that bold and more, when I sought from you the joy of the hair, that you might give me counsel of your love. It was not the leap attire emanatus, but more worth